Hey guys, so in today's Android tutorial, I will show you how you can use the Wi-Fi manager. It's basically a API, or we can say a class provided by the Android. And using this class, you can do like all the stuff related to the Wi-Fi. So as you can see here in my blog, I have written the complete in detail tutorial. And if you can see using this Wi-Fi, you can do, as I said, all the stuff related to the Wi-Fi, like you can scan the available networks within the range. You can allow your device to connect to the internet. You can even manage all the, all the device, all the Wi-Fi routers saved in your Android, and you can manage, you can remove from the list, you can do all the stuff. You can you can even manage the multiple connections like that. And if you want to use the Wi-Fi manager class in your Android, then you have to give the three permissions in the Android manifest file. So the three permissions are, the first one is to access the Wi-Fi state, that is very obvious, and the second one is the internet, and the third one is the change Wi-Fi state. Why we need the third one? Because suppose you want to turn on and off the Wi-Fi using your Android app, and doing that you obviously need this permission. Without that you can't access the Wi-Fi. So as you can see here, this is the main class, Wi-Fi manager class. And to create the object of this Wi-Fi manager class, we have to follow this syntax. This is very simple syntax, and we have to call this get system service with the Wi-Fi context, and boom, you got the object. Now let's go to the Android Studio where I will show you the demo app. So guys, one more point, this is not going to be complete tutorial. In this video we are just talking, and we are just trying to understand the Wi-Fi manager. If you want the complete tutorial, you can check the blog link in the description below. Now in this app, what we are doing, let me tell you first. There will be two functions. The first one will turn on the Wi-Fi, and the second one will turn off the Wi-Fi. So for that I have created a switch Wi-Fi function where I have to pass the bool value. If you will pass the true, it will switch on the Wi-Fi, and if you are passing the false bool value, then it will turn off the Wi-Fi. So it makes sense, right? But there is a twist. As you can see here, this set Wi-Fi enabled function is deprecated, and you can't access this function on Android Q and above, because you are no more allowed to switch on and off the Wi-Fi state using your Wi-Fi manager class. So for that, what Android is suggesting is to open the settings panel with the Wi-Fi. So as you can see here, when I am clicking on the turn on, we are opening the setting panel with the Wi-Fi. So here user has to explicitly turn on and turn off the Wi-Fi. You can't do it using the programmatical approach. But if you are targeting your Android app below Android Q, then you can use this function set Wi-Fi enabled. So that's the twist here. That's all guys for today, and if you want the complete tutorial, you can check the link in the description. And I hope this video is useful for you, and if you have any question, you can either comment on my blog or in this YouTube video. So I will be very happy to help you guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.